Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Opera tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the download location in Opera. This is actually quite simple. First I open Opera and here I am on my personal homepage. To change the download location I click on the three bars at the top right and scroll down until I get to the settings. Here I switch from basic to browser and scroll down until I reach the download section. And here I now have two options. If I click on the slider, I'm asked where the file should be saved for each download. This makes sense if I don't want to have a default download location. For me, however, I want to set the default download location to this folder. So I click on Change, go to my desktop, click on the folder and select Folder. And now I have already changed the download location for Opera. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.